Well, tonight, we're following several stunning new developments in the Breonna Taylor shooting. The grand jury proceedings will be made public tomorrow. That's after one of the jurors went to court accusing the Attorney General of misrepresenting their deliberations. No charges were filed against officers for the death of Taylor. CBS's Adriana Diaz reports tonight from Louisville.
As Louisville anticipates tomorrow's release of the secret grand jury recordings, tonight Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron admitted that no charges were recommended for Breonna Taylor's death.
Ultimately, our judgment is that the charge that we could prove at trial beyond a reasonable doubt was for wanton endangerment against Mr. Hankinson.
All along, we asked, was there any evidence even presented on Breonna Taylor's behalf?
Ben Crump represents Taylor's family.
We at least want to know that it's equal justice under the law for Black people as victims, not only when Black people are accused of crimes. We continue to ask for full transparency.
And so is a grand juror who filed a motion asking to speak publicly, accusing Attorney General Cameron of using the grand jurors as a shield to deflect accountability and responsibility. Kevin Glogauer represents the anonymous juror.
And my client's concern is making sure that there's the appropriate information for the public as a whole to see what's going on.
Tonight, Louisville's incoming interim police chief, Yvette Gentry, the first female to hold the post, says her first order of business is removing the plywood from police headquarters.
Many in this community say they've lost confidence in their police officers. How do you rebuild that confidence?
I think it starts with me. Leading by example and being a woman of my word and being accessible to people. The door that you're feeling like you got to kick down is open.
In that local news interview, Cameron called the grand jury an independent body and said they could have considered charges against the other officers if they'd wanted to. The grand jury recordings will be turned over to the court by noon tomorrow. It's unclear how they'll be released to the public. Nora?
Adriana Diaz, thank you.